We gotta get into that building.
Yeah.
In front of it, at least.
Ooh, orange box.
Ooh, orange box, nice.
Who needs that?
I don't think any of us do.
I got good guns already.
Same.
Oh shit, in front of us!
Yeah, right in front of us.
Now you know he did. It's a team wipe.
Does he have anything on him?
Nothing good. Oh, munition box if anybody needs.
I don't need it.
Ammunition box?
Watch our
I'll
back.
take it.
Let's go up this. Go up.
Let's
Let's go up, go up, go up.
Up there? Okay.
No, I don't need it, Blex.
Okay.
I thought you said he had it on him. I was gonna take it.
Oh, I took it from him.
Oh, we have the game-winning spot, my boys. If it lands on us,
Hey, just stay low.
watch out under us. Yeah, stay
Yeah,
low.
just stay low. Don't even peek. They might.
Don't make no noise, and then if we hear the ladder, we know they're behind us.
I got a like I said, a precision.
So there's 4 left. It could be 2 teams of 2, 3 team of 3 and 1.
Hey, I'm gonna drop that. Where should I drop it at?
Don't drop a precision yet until we start fighting.
You see that gas? Or you see where
Yeah.
it's going?
It's fine though. We're all gonna have to run in, and then we'll kill them when they run in.
The airstrike doesn't go into the house, huh?
It can if there's like an open top, but it's good for this last circle. I would save it
Yeah.
and then bang them up.
Damn, I don't have Which way are we gonna move, boys?
I'm gonna keep an eye on the left side.
I'll keep an eye on the right, like the stadium side.
Nothing on left side yet. Nothing.
You're far from the safe zone. Advise you start moving.
We gotta start crawling. Oh.
Yeah, they might be under us.
Maybe in that building too.
Oh, to our
shit,
left,
left
to our
side.
left, to our left. I cracked him.
Oh, you see the fire coming from the mid? From the
Is the left guy dead?
Nah. Is he dead?
The other team was shooting at him. Yeah.
Where?
they're shooting at
From
me
where?
now.
From where?
I think over
I
there,
hit the
over
airstrike. Alright.
From that
I'm gonna
building?
throw it, bro. Oh, loadout's in front of us too. Loadout's right in front. Get behind
we
the
have-
box.
I need to.
Go, 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 go.
We can push now.
Armor. Behind the wall.
Oh my gosh! What? In the building. I got it. Don't worry about me.
Ah, okay,
Go, go.
Gas inbound.
I dinged them.
Oh my gosh.
I mortared
Oh,
them.
I got a snapshot. I'll throw it over. I'll throw it
One over
over.
here, one over here.
Alright, where?
I marked him. He's 5 things.
Why can't I get you, dude?
Oh, he's coming. He's on me. I downed him.
I dropped him. I stuck him.
He's dead.
I got one over here. On me. Above me.
Sorry, armor up.
Above. Don't worry about it.
I'm blind. There,
On the wall. Yeah.
good
Easy.
shit.
Easy. I went all the way around, killed his teammate. Fuck.
Shit.
Hey, that mortar came in clutch right there. They were stuck in the house. I was banging their armor
Oh,
off.
that airstrike?
Yeah, no, I had a mortar too.
Oh, okay. And I threw some
Your precision got us the
Snapshot.
loadout though, so it worked
Uh-huh.
out. Wait, no, you didn't get a loadout? You fucking guy?
No, I didn't.
It was right in front of us.
Yeah, I had to get covered because they were shooting at me. I had a decent gear though.
Oh, I'm so glad Jailbreaker happened.
silent killer. Disco killer. You're the leader, right? Wow. How we do?
6-inch was a 2.
Damn. I hit 7?
2 winch today.
2,500 damage.